Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday prediction and analysis for tomorrow. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before let's start with our demand zone. See guys, at one stage, even the today's live, I have discussed one new range. Let me also show you that the new range is from this is the new range which I have discussed in the live. If you have not yet watched, then I recommend you to go to the live and you can see this particular video. If you watch, then you can find it out. We have discussed here, but at surprisingly at one stage in the live, even I have said that mostly I'm expecting today we may get a breach out of our demand zone, and also we're going to discuss some other parts like this is still holding with very minimum points. If you see 14 19432.60 is our lower demand level, and if you see 19436, it's like only 4 points. 3.5 to 4 points is the difference of the closing price. So it's like a last ray of hope for me at least. So let's see. Still I'm maintaining the bullish view because still my level got respected, and as I said, if this level breaches out, if a day candle close below, I said you guys, I will update you another demand zone which is comparatively very strong compared to, if you remember, we have also updated one demand zone earlier here, but due to a lot of negative macro events, we have entered into this zone. But if this fails, compared to these three zones, this is the strongest zone, which starts from 18,862 to 19,007, 7 or 8. You can if this level breaches out, then we will discuss in detail about that. But as again I said, it's the hope. Again, I have still hopes on that zone. And now coming to Bank Nifty. So if you see Bank Nifty breached our demand zone. So we will remove this. But yes, Nifty I would focus much because it depends upon the Nifty, right? So I usually watch out. This is the minor demand zone. I clearly said that this, but still it breached out. So I'm not showing much bullishness in the Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty, but comparatively, Nifty, I will be on bullish. So now let's go to other concepts also before seeing daily analysis. If you see Indian VIX, it's almost near to 1.12% negative, which is a good sign for the longs at least. And dollar index also 0.37 negative, and it is cooling off, and which is a good sign. And especially the crude, it's almost 4% cool. It's cooling off, and it's a good sign for especially today. As if you guys remember, if you are following me regularly, I have discussed about this zone, like especially if uh, crude comes below 89.747, then obviously that's a good sign for our markets. And it's very like in the recovery process, especially at the present scenario, we may recover very fastly, and I am expecting the same from the US 10 years bond yield. So I'm expecting like it's a negative. I do agree with that, but like I'm expecting very soon even this gonna to cool off. So all these are a good signs for our market. And coming to, even see that that's how we have to calculate that even everything is negative, but a lot of things which are showing us positive, and we are taking and forming a cluster to stay on our view. And coming to another important thing, if you see HDFC Bank, okay, HDFC Bank also we have shared a demand zone. This is the demand zone we have shared from 1488 to 1529, sorry, 26. If you let me also show the video, where if you see this video, I have shared this HDFC level. You can watch it out. I only got 38 views for that. And one more important thing, guys, likes, if you see very less likes, like that gives me a motivation. And not only the motivation part, it also breaks the YouTube algorithms, and our videos may reach to some other persons. So I hope you suggest and need not to regularly give a drill to like the videos, but if you feel of my videos are helping you out, then that's like I'm asking you to just like that so that I can beat the algorithm, and it also personally motivates me. And coming to all this section, if you see if these are coming negative, then that's a positive for our market. So now let's see today's what happened. Market open gap down, and thereafter you can see I will remove all these lines because I have explained in the live. So I have taken the live. One who have not attended the live can from tomorrow you try to attend if possible. So after that, if you see after a gap down opening, it tested our level, and thereafter if you see fall till 19,335, which is the level we discussed previously, and from there you can see pinpoint reaction back to our level. So irrespective of this uh, volatility and still our levels worked so good. Let me know how you use this level. But coming to bankruptcy, it showed some, not some, it showed some a terrific sideways movement, but still it's respected our levels. So you can clearly see that. And now coming to this is one hero zero which we got hit. And coming to actually I used to supposed to post a video before this on some 15k challenge. Unfortunately I have recorded the video but failed to upload that. So mostly this is the first day of that, and if you see we have booked around 388 loss, and because it's the video already late, so that's the reason I'm not going much into logics, but definitely I will cover in the tomorrow's video if possible. Okay. And coming to Dow, if you see at one stage it's like 184 points negative, but if you see it's almost 100 points positive at right now, Dow futures, and we will discuss in detail in the morning. But if you see as of now everything looking good, and even our Nifty accepted our zone, so that's what positivity I'm taking for tomorrow's market. So now before that, let's also see jobs, like it's like a job openings. Okay, job openings or in the US market, like expected is like 8.8 million, but we have got 9.6 million, which is a positive news. But definitely for markets, any positive news coming from micro events, it's like a negativity according to the present scenario, because when Fed come to know economy is still strong, they will don't think twice to increase the interest rates. If they increase the interest rate, then definitely it's negative for the markets. So this is one thing, small logic, you can also apply it. But let's discuss about tomorrow levels, and especially I want you guys to focus here, because these levels comparatively some of the good levels we are going to discuss today. And especially by seeing all the movements, I feel some gap of opening, but it's too early to decide, because once tomorrow we will discuss. Like let's say for now, if we open a gap up here, then I would wait for retesting this zone, top of our range, and from there I will trade to 19,497, and I again repeating the same. If you see from last 4 to 5 sessions, we are repeating the same thing. Beginners try to stay on the long side and give importance to the long signals, and make sure if you are not getting any position and you want to trade compulsory, then if you want to trade the short signals, you keep your position sizing very small. So I am going to repeat the same for the tomorrow market as well. And coming to for the buy, like buy signals, what are the areas where I gonna to plan is the first trade will be on here, and I will make sure I accept this range. Okay, 19,497, and once if it accepts this zone, then I will keep trailing till 19,550. So this is going to be my long trade, long trade. Okay. And let's see if it breaks down, then I will not short tomorrow. Okay, that's what I said. Like usually what we do when our range accepts, we will take a short trade, and we will wait for the another side of the range, right? But tomorrow even in our range. If it comes under inside our range, then I will not go for short trade, and I will again attempt a long trade at this level, and again I will attempt a long trade at this level, and final level also I will attempt a long trade. But these are for long trades, and let's say it opened a huge gap up, then I will again trade for a long trades in these ranges only. Okay, at each level I will plan a long trade. Then what about short trade? Short trade, the first level for short, for especially going short, 19,391. Below this, I will attempt a small scalping here. And if I want a big trade, then obviously 19,333 below, I will go for a short trade. But coming to this, you can watch out the levels. And if you want, you can draw the levels as well. And this is my trade plan for tomorrow in Nifty. Now coming to Bank Nifty, as I said, Bank Nifty, but still I have a very good trade in the Bank Nifty comparatively. But Nifty looking so good according to my levels, but we have good opportunity in the Bank Nifty. Like let's say if Bank Nifty closing above this range, then I will keep on trailing my stop loss till 44,325, and I will plan only short trades uh, below this. Let's say if the range accepts, then I will take a short trade in Bank Nifty, and I will trade till the other end, and if opens flat, then I will wait for this zones and I will go a long trade from here. So now let me recap. I hope Nifty you might have understood, and beginners please focus on Nifty at least for tomorrow. Just not to focus much on Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty, according to my analysis and according to my levels, it little bit of like complicated sideways or volatility we may see in the Bank Nifty, but Nifty seems so good. But make sure you follow the risk management, because as I said, no one can time the market. We're going to also discuss this. Actually, I planned a lot in this video, especially about the bond market, but due to time, if you can see, it's almost like 8:17, 8:18 the present time where I am recording. So I need to also edit the video, and thereafter I should upload. So see, if I timely upload the video, then I get views like this. If you see yesterday's video, one who have watched that video might have made good profits, no doubt in that. But people a lot of people did not attend this. And one more important thing, RBI monetary policy discussion started, and 6th, that is day after tomorrow, we will get the outcome. So even I explained that in the weekly analysis. One who have attended that both the videos, one who have watched might have at least, that might add some little edge more compared to the normal one who are going without any preparation. So make sure you follow us in the Telegram channel, because I said you can see all the updates I provide here. So make sure you join here, and see you in the next video. Until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.